Hello everybody, it's Eunice from Aerial Practice, a place where beginner aerialists grow together. Today's video is one of the 2 episodes of basic tricks on the aerial hoop. I will be doing the tricks on both sides, sharing with you a simple flow with these tricks, and then ending this video with a challenge for you. If you're new, don't forget to click the red subscribe button. It's free and you will never miss a practice. If you have been practicing hoop for a while, then the focus here for you is to work on cleaning up the transitions and don't forget to have fun. Start by grabbing the side of the hoop. Engage the core to bring the legs up and bend the right knee. I am reaching my hands high, straightening my right leg, engaging my shoulder blades to pull the chest to my elbows. Going directly to trick 2 before the other side. Imagine the hoop is a clock. I'm placing my right hand at 1. Keep both legs strong and straight. I am stretching my left hand out with my elbow. Open the chest for a star shape. Return for the other side. Engage the core and lift the legs. And bend the left knee. Reach the hands high, straighten the left leg, and pull the elbows in. I am placing my left hand at 11. Engage the legs and open the chest. Reach the right hand out. Bring the right hand back. Slide the butt to the back a bit. I am making some space to bring the right leg into the sitting position. Nice and easy. I am bringing my left leg to the back to practice the left side. Practicing these simple moves are going to help us to level up in our flows. Come back down to the ground. Next is a pike entry. I'm grabbing the underbar. The easy version is to tap one foot on the bar to go into a pike position. Next, I'm bending my knees to enter the hoop. Keep the butt engaged to press the feet down. If you have not tried this, make sure you practice with an instructor or a spotter before letting the hands go. Next, I'm grabbing my right foot to prepare to straighten my left leg for a single knee hang. Bringing my left leg to the back. Make sure I keep my hips square the whole time to keep my balance. I am bringing my left leg back and switch legs. Come back down for a front balance practice. Prepare to roll up to the hoop. I'm not ready to do it with straight legs yet, so I'm keeping my legs bent. Once I landed on the hoop, I'm bringing my body to the Superman position. Engaging the core and glute, lifting my chest up, and slowly letting my hands go. From this position, I am bending my legs to hang myself in a ball shape. I am also straightening my legs for a folded pose. Return to the sitting position for the man in the moon pose. Walking my right shoulder down to lean against the hoop, stepping the right leg to 9, and bringing the left leg to 12. I can keep my right leg here or bring it up here. Come back. And here is the other side. If you want to see this pose in a flow, check out the link in the description below. Come back to sitting. I am placing my hands at 1 and 7. Right elbows on the back of the hoop. Sliding my butt to the right. Here is the Amazon pose. I'm bringing my legs back for the other side. Hands at 4 and 11. And sliding my butt to the left. Here's a mini flow with some of the tricks that we covered today. Now that you have seen all 10 tricks and my sample flow, I challenge you to practice your transitions and share with me on Instagram. I will be featuring one of the shares when the next episode comes out in a few weeks. If you would like to be featured, all you have to do is to take a screenshot of this video and post it in your Instagram story and share a post of your practice in your Instagram page. Most importantly, don't forget to tag me so I know that you would like to be featured. That's it for now. Take very good care, practice safe, and see you in next week's videos.